How to browse the internet on an Android tablet. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Browsing the internet on an Android tablet is actually pretty simple once you know where to start. The first thing you want to do is to turn on your tablet, and once you unlock your tablet, go ahead and swipe down from the top right corner and make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi. Before you can browse anything, you'll need an internet access, so go ahead and connect to a Wi-Fi first. Once you are done, open up your browser application. Most Android tablets already come up with a browser installed. You might see the Google Chrome installed or the browser installed on your tablet. It can be a different kind of browser depending upon your tablet. I have this MI browser. Just tap it open. Just open up any browser that is available to you, and inside the browser, go to the address bar at the top of the screen and type what you want to search. After you do that, make your search and you'll see the result instantly. Just type in any website you want and the page will load immediately. You can scroll up and down with your finger like reading a book. If you want more than one page, or if you want to use tabs for multiple pages, tap on the plus icon from the top of the screen to start up a new page. You can switch between your pages anytime by tapping on them from the top. And that's it. You're officially ready to browse the internet on your Android tablet. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.